Metalphoto of Cincinnati is one of the larger converters of the metal photo material, and we employ a wide range of different processes in producing our metal photo products, ranging from high-speed digital equipment to very old-fashioned types of fabricating methods. We use all of the tools that we have available to us to provide the best method to produce the parts at the lowest cost and with the best quality for our customers.
The quality check process in place at MPC is multifaceted, so it'll start all the way in the graphics department, initially with the customer sign-off saying, yes, this is the part that we want. Then at that point, they're going to verify a whole variety of things. You know, is the part layout correct? Is the color correct? Is the material thickness accurate before it's sent back to the shop to be fabricated? Throughout the shop, each station has their own list of 5 to 10 checks where they're going to audit their parts before they're passed on to their next operator or essentially their customer. And then we do a final inspection at the last station. All this is documented as per ISO 9001, and with the end goal being providing the correct product the first time and at the right cost. Having some of the new printing and fab capabilities that we have allows us and our sales group to offer a much wider variety of solutions or opportunities to our customers than we previously had.
With metal photo, customers are very important. So we take customer service very seriously, and we aim to give each customer the best experience that they can have and a quality product. So the fact that we've been here over 50 years, I think, points out how important our customers are to us and how we try to be here for them no matter what their questions or needs are. We try to make sure that the customer has all the information to make a good decision on purchasing the product. And it's very important to me that all my customers feel important, whether you're the one ordering the plaque for your dad's treehouse, or whether you're with a larger company that is going to order 50 plus times a year from me. Our product gets out there, and that's what's important to me. And I want to make sure that no matter who you are and what company you work for, that you're happy with your product and you're happy with your experience.